Hi guys, I bought this hand wash today from one of the chemists in Delhi, Dwarka, and I have the receipt with me. It it cost like 950. Okay, and if you see, they have put a sticker on top of the price MRP 1100, which is a very high price that they have put in because of the coronavirus. Now let me remove the sticker and see what the actual price is. So it's somewhere around 368. Yeah, which is basically a loot from the people. Okay, so I would request all the consumers to check the prices and inquire and request all the concerned team to have a look into this. Thank you.